how to install Voloco app on iPhone. Want to start auto-tuning your voice on iPhone? Let's install Voloco. No stress, just 5. Tap that blue A icon. Yup, the App Store. Let's go get you some special power. In the search bar at the bottom, type Voloco, Voloco. You will see it pop up with the purple music note icon. Found it? Awesome. Tap the get button. If asked, use Facebook.id or Apple ID password to confirm. It takes only a few seconds. Sip your tea or no to beep while it's downloading. Now tap open. You are officially in the auto-tune zone. First time, it will ask for mic permission. Hit allow so you can start recording and edit your voice. And boom, you have installed Voloco on your iPhone, ready to record, remix, and rule the sound waves. If this helped you, smash that like button. If you have any question, drop them in the comment, and subscribe for more fast and fun mobile music hack. Catch you in the next one.